Yesterday I was mowing the lawn and my wheel came off. My wheel came off. Had so much horsepower, it blew the wheels off. That's what happens, 27 years, right? Things just fall apart. Both wheels. So I bought a new one. This is a 2-pack. It's 8-inch. Wheel number 1 and wheel number 2 and bolts. This is what this side looks like. It's a good hard plastic. As far as thickness goes, you can see the thickness of this plastic, and that's what it is throughout. When it's metal reinforced like that, that part doesn't break. Instead, the outside breaks. That is one big bolt. I'll be using my old bolt because it's different. If I were to use their bolt, that's what it would look like. If I use my bolt, that's what it would look like. They fit right on, no problems. Just take the bolt. I'm using the same bolt that came with my mower. Let's see how she works. New carburetor and a couple new wheels, just like brand new. I not only review it, I actually use it.